100244111. Okay, hello? This is what my phone sounds like because somebody's hacking into my phone line. This is me trying to call the phone company because my internet is once again out. My computer isn't even plugged in yet, and the internet is out. Now, why in the hell would my phone be making this god-awful sound if my phone lines weren't capped like the phone company told me 2 days ago? Okay, now the internet's coming back on, but we recorded this one. Okay, I guess I'm going to have to try and call the phone company again. Phone hang up. What can I call? Got a phone number. 800.
Welcome to CenturyLink.
That didn't sound right.
Please stay on the line.
Para continuar.
No, we're going to try that one again. Listen to that sound like there's the internet's out again.
Welcome to CenturyLink. For English, please stay on the line.
That didn't even get a chance to ring.
Prima el 9.
No, I don't believe it.
Starting with the area code, please sit.
No, we're going to stop that one right there in its tracks.
Welcome to CenturyLink.
It's not even getting a chance to ring.
Para continuar en español,
Whoa.
prima el 9.
Starting with the area code, please